This is a presentation on how to use Project Control to monitor project duration and cost with an emphasis on rate of performance. In this presentation, we will calculate the rate of performance. Also, it will be determined the estimated time and budget at project completion. The purpose is really to allow project managers to monitor project outcomes and associated risks. Managers can use project control methods to check project progression and determine whether or not it's on track with the original plan. Also, risks can be identified, and when a problem arises or could likely arise, the project manager could then take corrective action to address the risks before they become serious issues. We will use data from this chart to come up with various calculations to help the project manager determine the current status and future expectations for the project. This Gantt chart was created using information concerning actual and expected durations. The first 3 tasks have been completed as indicated by the check marks. The blue lines indicate the actual duration of each task, and the gray lines indicate the expected durations of each task. This means that obtaining the list of patients and sampling them took longer than expected, but printing survey tools took the estimated amount of time. This slide shows calculations completed in Excel. In the following slides, the methods for calculating rate of performance, project duration, and estimated project end, as shown in the yellow box, will be described. Rate of performance is actual work divided by planned work. Since only the first 3 tasks have been completed, only those can be used in this calculation. However, task C is not in the critical path, meaning just activities A and B will be used. This means the actual work is 4 weeks plus 2 weeks, which is 6, and the planned work is 2 weeks plus 1 week, which is 3. Then, 6 divided by 3 equals 2, or 200%. Next, we will look at estimated project end, which is the planned duration divided by the rate of performance. Planned duration is a total number of weeks divided by the number of weeks not in the critical path. The total number of weeks is 17. Those not in the critical path amount to 5. 17 minus 5 equals 12 weeks for the planned duration. 12 times 2, the rate of performance, gives us 24. So the project is estimated to last 24 weeks, which is actually twice as long as it would be expected judging from the duration of the first 3 tasks. Now to calculate the anticipated delay, subtract planned duration from estimated project end. As we just calculated, the estimated project end is 24 weeks, and the planned duration is 12, giving us 12 weeks again. By adding up all of the estimated costs, the original project budget estimate came out to be $31,500. However, with just the information provided in the problem, the current budget estimate for the project cannot be determined. There is not enough information, as it would need to be known how much information has already been spent on the project. This method allows project managers to use their rate of performance to measure progress over time. Also, this can help manage expectations by helping the project team form realistic expectations about the duration and budget involved with the project. Lastly, one major downside to this presentation was the lack of data. Sufficient data must be collected, and a complete assessment of the budget could not be done without this data.